welcome to another self-isolation vlog. Today is Friday the 10th, and just kind of chilling today. So, I was thinking about making, let me set you down. I was thinking about making this into a, morning routine video, because I know a lot of people like watching morning routine videos, including myself. But then when I got up, I was like, I don't have a morning routine. I just get up, make my coffee, do some chores on Animal Crossing, and then kind of just start my day. So I figured this will just be another normal day in the life vlog then. Maybe you'll just see more of what I actually do during the day instead of me just talking, but I don't know, we'll see. I uploaded my first April paycheck cash envelope stuffing video yesterday, and it's doing really well. I'm really happy about that. I even got a few new subscribers, which is awesome. We are way closer to 100 subscribers, which, if you've been around for a while and seen a lot of my videos, you'll know that we've been trying to reach that goal for quite a while, and every time I get close, I kind of just like fall off the face of the earth, don't make videos anymore, and then it just makes it harder to reach that goal, you know, because I'm not making videos. So very excited about that. Hopefully we can get to that by the end of the month. And yeah, that would be awesome. So today, I have to send in my work log to my boss, and I might do a little bit of work today too. I'm technically working part-time right now, but because I'm teleworking, I don't think it really matters if I don't work today, or if I do work today. I don't know what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is that it doesn't matter if I'm working like 5 days a week or 4 days a week, as long as I'm meeting my hours, I think, to the best of my ability. So yeah, I gotta send that in. I need to clean. I've got a lot of dishes because I cooked like I didn't cook a lot of food, but I cooked a lot of different things yesterday with my dinner, so made a lot of mess with my dishes. Sorry, this notebook is in the way. And yeah, so it's pretty cold out today. It's a high of 50, which I know isn't like really, really cold, but considering that it was 80 degrees a few days ago, it's kind of cold. So I threw on this sweater. I got it from Goodwill in Boston, Massachusetts, when I went for a training that happened to be a camping training. Like we didn't have a hotel, we camped, and I was not prepared for the New England fall, because their fall starts a lot earlier than my fall. So I had to go to Goodwill and pick up some more layers, and I found this vineyard vine sweater with lobsters on it, and I was like, that's the most New England thing I've ever seen, so I have to buy it. And it was only like $5, so definitely picked it up. It's really cute. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the pockets like a hoodie does, so like every time I'm wearing this, my hands go like to my stomach to put in the pocket that doesn't even exist. So that's just a tangent. I fixed my hammock. It is way better now. Not that I can use it today because it's so cold out. But one of my friends from work, she has a hammock also, and she had like a lot of nylon straps for, I think she said she was trying to learn how to it's not tightrope, it's basically like tightrope, slackline. She's trying to learn how to slackline, and then that failed, so she has like a ton of nylon strapping left over from that, so she let me have some, and I was able to hang up my hammock and it doesn't stretch out, so way better now. I was enjoying it yesterday. It was kind of chilly out yesterday too because of a wind, so I wasn't on it for that long, but yeah, that was yesterday. And yesterday was my fiance's birthday, so he took the day off, and then he has today off too because it's Good Friday. So we're like long distance right now. So, and I could have driven over to him, but my car needs some work done on it, and I don't feel comfortable driving it that far, knowing that it needs work. So I felt really bad about not being able to go, but I Venmo'd him money to get himself some dinner, and he went kayaking with his brother, and we FaceTimed and watched the Clone Wars on Disney Plus because we need to catch up with that. And I showed him what I got for him for his birthday too. So I think he had a good birthday, all things considered, you know. And today we have our FaceTime date, our Friday FaceTime date. We're gonna watch, we're gonna finish up the Clone Wars of what they have released, and then probably watch the next episode of The Tiger King. We are on episode 2, so we're very far behind the rest of everyone that has Netflix, but we are slowly but surely working through it. I would have been done with it by now if I didn't have to wait, but I have to wait for him to watch it too, so that's pretty much all I have for right now. So, yeah, I'm just gonna probably start cleaning things up, and, oh no, I need to make breakfast. I don't know what I'm gonna make for breakfast, but that's what we're gonna get into right now. So I decided to make French toast sticks for breakfast, which I think I made in one of my last vlogs. I swear I make other things, but this is like the last of them, so I figured I'll just make them today. My kitchen is a mess. I don't want to show it to you, but yeah, I'm not going to show it to you. Just know that like the entire sink is full, which I hate when that happens, but alas, it happens. So I have the oven preheating, and I figured while I have that preheating, I'll just start tidying up because it takes forever to preheat. Well, that is it for my room. Exciting. I feel like I should show you all my book collection today. Maybe I'll do that after I eat, or after I clean up a little bit more. Who knows? Okay, so I filmed or recorded myself going over my books, my book collection, and I think it's too long and drawn out, so I'm not gonna include that in this vlog. I might put it in a different video, or I might make it its own video, not really sure. but you saw me clean up a bit. I vacuumed. My vacuum is pretty small, so it takes a little while to get everything because like my entire apartment is carpet minus the bathroom and the kitchen, so it's kind of annoying. But it's a good vacuum cleaner. So I took care of my dishes, put them all in the dishwasher. I'm about to make my lunch, and then I'll put that in the dishwasher and run that. And while I'm eating lunch, I'm gonna watch Netflix, specifically The Office, because I've been rewatching that during this time period. And then I will be getting into the shower because I need to take a shower and I really need to wash my hair. Yeah. That's kind of it for right now. Okay, I am about to go check my mail. Fits in my ring really quick. I got out of the shower a little bit ago, put a face mask on, and I just took it off and took my hair out of my towel that I had. I'm wearing the same sweatshirt, but I did get dressed. Just some black leggings on. I have a Gymshark workout shirt on underneath, a t-shirt, just because it's comfy. And yeah, so I'm just pulling out some shoes. Gonna go outside. It's kind of cold out, so I'm sad that it's cold, but I'm happy that I get to go outside, even just for a little bit. I suppose it would be helpful if I grab my glasses also. I usually wear contacts, but when I'm not going out places and like I'm not going to work, I'm working from home, then I much prefer to wear my glasses just so then I don't have to be putting my contacts in and like taking them out before bed. It's just a lot easier. I prefer wearing my contacts rather than glasses, but when I'm like not doing a lot that requires good eyesight, then my glasses will do. Sorry for the bad lighting, but I have only one lamp to light my room up. I'm pretty much just ending the vlog now. I had my FaceTime date with my fiance. We watched 2 episodes of the Clone Wars and 2 episodes of Tiger King, which is wild. And yeah, so I'm just gonna change into some pajamas, get into bed, probably play a little bit of Animal Crossing, and go to sleep. Like a normal person. Vlogging is weird. I still don't really get it, but I like doing it because it makes me feel like I'm talking to more people. If I wasn't living alone, then I probably wouldn't do it, but living alone, you don't talk to many people, so this helps out. Yeah, so good night, everyone. Stay safe. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you prefer my budget videos, then that's totally fine. Make sure you check those out. Hit the like button for those too. I will be having more coming out. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye.